There are over 600 exhibitors here at UK Construction Week, so it's a pretty big show. So we've got some pretty big trucks, not just one, there are two here. And joining me is John from Bay-Lynx. Hi, John. So you're in charge of this humongous truck.
That's right, yes. We actually manufacture these. They're manufactured in Canada, and we bring them over to Britain, and we basically make them European based. So we put them on the chassis and we make sure that the European customers, the vehicle fits,
It's amazing. So behind us then, talk us through this whole truck.
Well, literally it's a mobile batching plant. So you've got sand on one side, you've got stone on the other side, and cement at the rear. It can transport for hundreds of miles like that, obviously not contaminating the concrete. It only mixes the concrete on site, so it's basically a mobile batching plant. This is our new model, our new Titan, and this is the first show in Britain that we're actually showing this. We actually launched it in 2020, and obviously due to lockdown, our customer had a great deal of confidence with us and actually ordered vehicles, and there's over 40 vehicles actually operating in the country at this moment in time. But this was without seeing the vehicle, so we were actually constantly marketing during lockdown, and people, as I say, they trusted us with this machine.
My goodness. So this is the first time you're showing this at anywhere?
Well, not anywhere, because we're in Scotland last week,
okay.
But this is the first show actually in England. That's right, yes.
Yeah, brilliant. Okay, so, I mean, how do you even begin to get these trucks here? Because this is pretty impressive to be we've got two of them here, two massive trucks here at UK Construction Week.
Well, they're designed to construction and use regulations, so they're actually 32-ton machines. So they actually meet all the regulations, etc., for the UK market on 4 axles. What we have is a machine that's, again, unique, as we said, because it's different to anything else that's been built before of this type. It's built from Hardox material, which is a 2.3 millimetre wall, and we uniquely, if I can show you down here.
Yeah, let's go.
From the actual fold at the bottom, from that fold there, all the way up, all those folds, all the way up and over the top is one piece of steel. It's made from Hardox. Hardox is hard wearing and it's allowed to flex. If you weld Hardox, it will crack. So the idea of this concept is that it's basically durable, long-lasting, and gives excellent service.
My goodness, this is so impressive. I mean, what a company to work for, and what an incredible truck as well to have on sort of your repertoire.
Thank you, yes. Also, what's unique as well is we've incorporated the cement hopper inside a 10.6 metre aggregate bin. So basically, this carries all the material that's required to produce 8 cubic metres of concrete.
Wow, okay. I mean, this is incredible. And you're here at the largest sort of construction event, and it's the first time that it's been in London. Why is it important for you to be here?
We've got quite a good customer base around the whole area, and these two particular trucks prove that these are local trucks. They're from the Essex area, so they're basically all very local, and we're trying to prove to everybody that this is the truck to have.
So here at UK Construction Week, the theme this year is all about culture change. So for you, what does that mean? Might be putting you on the spot here.
What do you say again?
It's culture change.
Culture change. Well, I suppose we're changing the way that concrete is being made. Normally, usually have a great big plant in a large expansive area where you have to obviously mix the concrete first, put it into a drum and tumble it and actually deliver it. What we're doing here, small companies can start up on very relatively small operation centres and basically start making money.
Amazing. So that's got to be better for the environment in the long run.
Much better for the environment. Also, there's no waste with this machine. If the hole requires 2 cubic metres of concrete, then all we do is deliver 2 metres of concrete.
So thank you so much. Where can people find you if they're watching right now and they go, oh, well, where are you in the exhibition hall?
We're in Cheshire. We have representatives throughout the UK, and I cover, for instance, the Midlands North. My colleague covers Midlands South, and we obviously have a full support team.
Amazing. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.
Thank you.